It's a lovely Saturday today, and I'm trying to stay active, trying to push myself not to sit at home and scroll on Instagram or anything like this. We're already on our second walk, and the plan is to have a bit of a walk this lovely sunny afternoon, because we don't know when next sunshine is going to be. And I also want to start a new painting, as I haven't actually painted since last time you have seen my last video. So I just want this day to kind of take in as much outdoors as I can, and also be a bit creative. The colors are coming back now. Can you see the colors? The spring is coming, definitely. And the trees. So green now. It's lovely. It is so pretty here. I think I'm going to sit down for a little while, as there's no one around. There's not a human here. There was one man just passed by, but he's gone now. I just love listening to the sound of the birds. It's still not totally quiet in here, because you can see some roads from far away, but it's pretty peaceful. Ooh, there's a bumblebee. Not sure if you see this lovely white and purple tree. So far we have these. I still feel like I need to do a bit more on the left here. But overall, I think I don't want to do too much of it. I won't see the top. Hello. What do you say today? What do you say? Oh, don't eat this. Wants to go out soon, but it's too early for him anyway. So I used this pear pink, so it's early morning, and see if I can continue with the painting. So let's see if I can add some pastels for about half an hour. So far I'm liking it. I think it just needs a bit more details, and I don't think I'm going to put any more paint because it's paper, so I don't want to overload it with acrylics. And I've done nothing more acrylics than I would normally do, so that's it. Let's try it. I think this is now, I think that's it. This is now completed. Hello. Hello, you pretty.